It's freezing, but I'm here working on the flower bed, and check out the mums. The orange mums are completely wilted and done doing their thing for this year, which is interesting, especially if you compare them to the pink ones, which I can still pinch off and expect more flowers. And I would normally deadhead, although this is a crazy amount to deadhead, but if you look past the stems down here, you can see there's new growth, and this is all for next year. So because all the growth is in for next year, I'm just gonna start cutting these stems like really low. You can just go through and shear it, or cut off the stems in one swoop. The only problem with doing it that way is that you leave these stems, but if that doesn't bother you, it's fine. If it does, you can be more detailed and go through and carefully cut one by one. You can also pinch them off one by one like this, but there are so many that after a while your fingers will definitely hurt. Before pinching, after. For this variety of mum, it spreads kind of like a vine, I guess. This is a little plant right here. It has roots, so if you cut it here, and I didn't pull it out of the ground, it would continue growing there. But you can, if you see something like that, you can cut above it and just let it do its thing. You can shear like this if you're hoping for more flowers. There's a little bud there, so I want to be careful not to cut it. There's a little pile. This is what I've already done, and this is what's left. And before the season is over, maybe we'll get some more blooms.